completely informed as to everything that went on. Immense, carefully placed pits went down to solid bedrock. To that rock were immovably anchored structures strong enough to move a world. Driving units were installed, drives of such immensity of power as to test to the full the highest engineering skills of the galaxy. Mountains of fuel concentrate filled vast reservoirs of concrete. Each was connected to a drive by 50-inch high-speed conveyors. Sawtelle drove a thought, and those brutal super drives began to blast. As they blasted, Stret's satellite began to move out of its orbit. Very slowly at first, but faster and faster. They continued to blast with all their prodigious might and in carefully computed order until the desired orbit was attained. An orbit which terminated in a vertical line through the center of the Stret's supposedly impregnable retreat. The planet Stret had a mass of approximately 7 times 10 to the 21st metric ton. Its moon, little more than 1/100th as massive, still weighed in at about 8 times 10 to the 19th. That is, the figure 8 followed by 19 zeros. And moon fell on planet, in direct central impact, after having fallen from a height of over 250,000 miles under the full pull of gravity and the full thrust of those mighty atomic drives. The kinetic energy of such a collision can be computed. It can be expressed. It is, however, of such astronomical magnitude as to be completely meaningless to the human mind. Simply, the two worlds merged and splashed. Droplets, weighing up to millions of tons each, splattered out into space, only to return in seconds or hours or weeks or months, to add their atrocious contributions to the enormity of the destruction already wrought. No trace survived of any Stret or of anything, however small, pertaining to the Strets. End of Chapter 13.